Yo, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lead Monster still here, coming at you live from my couch. Right, I've got my computer hooked up to my TV screen, and I'm doing quite a few things here. I've got my Snapchat glasses on, so I'm going to get myself some footage there. But I really wanted to just jump in, and I want to show you guys up on the screen a few things. Right, number one, I wanted to show you guys some pictures and video that we got from Punta Cana. Right, a lot of people have been asking us. There's Mr. Mike, Willie, out in Punta Cana, right? And just some amazing stuff going on. There's our bartender having fun with us, but just some amazing stuff going on. And you might have typed into YouTube, how to find a product on Shopify. There's a buddy we made. We stayed in the Royal Level at the Punta Cana Occidental. And you might have typed into YouTube, guys, how to find a niche product, right? But I wanted to share these pictures because people have been asking me for more pictures and just, again, go through this and really share with you guys. But you might have typed into YouTube how to find a product on Shopify, niche scraper, something to that effect. And we're going to jump straight in here. But guys, I remember being able to travel like this and, find products and just make money on the internet. I thought it was impossible to be able to do all these things and just be able to travel, right? So you can see there's Willie had a $1,200 day on Amazon. But again, just being able to travel, guys, and set goals, help people make money online is something that I thought never possible. But as you guys can see here, we spent 2 weeks out in Punta Cana, and there's a really good shot of us out by the pool up on our balcony at the condo we stayed in. But again, these things you can make happen, right? And you're probably thinking, all right, get to the point already. Well, that's what I'm going to do, guys. So I'm going to kind of just put this off to the side here, all right, as far as my phone. And I'm going to jump straight into my computer screen here. And the first thing you're going to want to do is head over, click my link in the YouTube description below, and register for a niche scraper. So just go ahead and click on Get Started. The next thing you're going to do is obviously put in an email and a password, confirm that. Now, the beautiful part about this is you can do it for free. All right, you can log in. You can join the Facebook group. You can start your product research. So this is going to be AliExpress products. This is going to be Shopify products, right? So you can actually get products from Shopify stores as well as AliExpress. So what are some of the pros and cons? AliExpress, obviously you have to test them, but it is telling you the growth factor. It's telling you the Ali score, which is really good. And then it's also telling you the competition score. But the beautiful thing about Shopify products is obviously that they're already selling, right? The pros, but then the cons is that if they're already selling them, the competition may be a lot higher inside of some of these products, right? Maybe. So the first thing you want to do is obviously you just want to go in and you can pick a product, right? You can click on that product. You can head over to AliExpress. You can kind of get an idea of whether you want to order in bulk or you want to do drop shipping, right? And then the other thing I really love about this tool here is they literally give you guys products every single day, right? So if you're anything like me and you're always looking for something new to sell because everything that's trending usually gets old very quickly. I always tell my kids what's old is new again, meaning that back in the day they had, jeans with holes in them, then they faded out for quite a while and they came back, right? So there's a lot of things that will become new again, if you will. But when they go out of phase, you need to be able to factor in new products. So again, Niche Scraper is going to give you guys new products, right? So the other cool thing I like is if you can click on this bunny onesie here, right? I might be able to sell this on my grandma's store. They're giving you the profit margin, right? They're giving you the estimated, cost per action conversion, if you will. They're giving you the amount of engagement and likes and so on and so forth. They're even giving you the ad, right? So it's giving you a link to click over to the ad. Whoop. And we'll go ahead and do that. And that'll take you over to Facebook, right? And then they're giving you the ad copy, right? So this link here, I'm actually going to probably send over to get put on our grandma Shopify store because Easter's coming up. Right, so this thing right here, I think that grandmas would love this. And let's see what the ad copy is. How cute is this little bunny onesie? Get this adorable outfit on sale, 30% off while supplies last. get yours here, your product URL, right? So in essence, what I could do is literally go to this video, right? And go ahead and copy this link. Head over to, I'm sorry, I got to go to my YouTube downloader, YT. Let's do this, YouTube downloader. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and download this URL. Why? Because I'm actually going to sell this product. So the next thing I'd have to do is go and just put it on my Shopify store, which I'll have one of my VAs do, or just slap it up there very quickly myself because it's not hard. And actually, I was thinking that I made a mistake here. There we go. All right, so we're good to go. So I'm going to download this. Click on download. All right, and that's going to download into my computer, or you can go to download Facebook videos, right? And that's why I said I made a mistake, even though I think it might do it on my YouTube downloader, right? That's actually a Facebook link. So I'm going to want to go to Facebook video or fbdown.net, all right, to be able to download that to my computer. Obviously, you know how to do YouTube now if you're going to do YouTube. Just be careful here. You only want to click on these two little links. They'll have other options and banners, and you don't want to catch a virus or anything like that. So don't start clicking into other stuff. Just click on download video in HD quality, right? And once that downloads, obviously you'll upload that to your Facebook store, and you'll just go ahead and, or your Facebook page, I'm sorry, and add it to your Shopify store. You'll copy this here, and you'll put your link in there. Another cool thing is that the stores pop up, and this is why a lot of times Shopify becomes so competitive, because everybody knows what you're selling, guys. There's stealth tools out there like this, and way more stealth than this, to be honest. But Niche Scraper is very good for people that are on a budget or just looking to do something for free, right? You put your email in and it's free, but you can see, other products that are being sold on other stores. So again, very, very cool product. All you got to do is click in the link below to get started with Niche Scraper. What I'm going to be doing, guys, is taking you on as a 15-minute consultation. If you have any questions about Facebook ad targeting, Shopify, how to set up your store, themes, development, logos, branding, things of that nature, that will be your time to ask these questions on that call. So anybody that purchased today, Niche Scraper through my link, because they do have a paid service that upgrades, all right, and I see you in my back office as an affiliate commission, I'm going to be giving you guys a 15-minute strategy session, okay? So all you got to do is send me an email after you go ahead and upgrade to coaching with Jermaine, Jermaine, coachingwithjermaine@gmail.com, and I'll go ahead and reach out to you guys and get a strategy session scheduled, all right? So really, really cool tool. It's a win-win. You can come in and search for free if you want to upgrade, which I think you'll really, really see the benefit. You can also search stores. So again, really cool way to go in and just spy on people's stores, right? See what they're selling. Some people have the notification on there, so it's telling you what they're selling every second. And then you have this one that's really, really cool, is you can upload you can upload a bunch of images and create a video, right? So tag a friend who needs this. Shop now, your brand name. I'll just put Jermaine Steele. Whoop. And then obviously you got to put some pictures in there. So let's see what we got here. So once you upload, all right, it's too big, but once you upload your pictures, you just generate video. It's going to put that text in it for you. Really, really cool software, guys. Super excited that I was able to share this with you guys. If some of you guys know about it, go ahead and comment below. Let me know that you knew about it. And again, if you grab this and you upgrade, I'm going to give you guys a 15-minute strategy session for free. Get you on the phone and see how we can help you inside of your business, all right? So you can also become an affiliate for this tool. Click on the right-hand top corner. Once you sign up, clicking my link below. And if you want to learn more about creating your own products or services or how to do reviews just like this, go ahead and drop a comment below or add me on Facebook, which is facebook.com Jermaine Steele. And I hope you guys got some value. We'll see everybody on the inside. Peace.